We all want it. The freedom to do what we want, when we want, without money being a roadblock. Financial freedom and time freedom, two sides of the same coin. Tired of the grind, tired of answering to somebody else. You want to build something of your own, something that gives you back control. Most people don't know where to start. They get caught up in the how. The how is less important than the why. Get clear on your why, your purpose, your drive. That's where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive provides the tools to turn that entrepreneurial fire into a reality. But before we get started, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. I would appreciate it very much. Also, please like and comment below. You all are great and I love hearing from you. Thanks. You can't hit a target you can't see, right? It's the same with business. You need absolute clarity on what you're building and why you're building it. What problem are you solving? What value are you bringing to the table? This isn't some wishy-washy, I want to be rich BS. This is about digging deep, understanding your passions, and aligning your business with something you truly give a damn about. Write it down, map it out, tattoo it on your forehead if you have to, but don't move an inch until you can articulate your vision with the kind of conviction that would make a room full of investors empty their wallets. You could have the greatest product or service in the world, but if you're selling it to the wrong people, it's DOA. Market research isn't just some abstract concept they teach in business school. It's about understanding your ideal customer inside and out. Who are they? What are their pain points? Where do they hang out online? What keeps them up at night? You need to become obsessed with your target audience. Get in their heads, understand their motivations, and tailor your message to resonate with their specific needs and desires. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them. Look, I get it. Writing a business plan might not sound like the sexiest thing in the world, but trust me, it's the foundation upon which you'll build your empire. Think of it like the blueprint for your success. It doesn't have to be a 1,000-page document, but it needs to outline the essentials. Your products or services, your target market, your marketing and sales strategy, your financial projections. Having a solid business plan keeps you focused, organized, and accountable. It forces you to think through the details and anticipate challenges before they arise. Chapter 4, Tech to the Rescue. Automate and dominate. We live in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. If you're not leveraging technology to your advantage, you're getting left in the dust. That's where Onpassive shines. Onpassive provides you with cutting-edge tools and automation to streamline your business operations, from marketing and sales to customer relationship management. Imagine having a team of virtual assistants working 24/7 to grow your business. That's the power of Onpassive. We're talking about email marketing, social media management, lead generation, and so much more. All automated and optimized to save you time and maximize your results. Chapter 5. Own your digital turf. Building your online presence. Listen up. If you're not online, you practically don't exist. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is non-negotiable. That means a professional website, engaging social media profiles, and a content strategy that positions you as an authority in your niche. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your target audience. Engage with your followers, build relationships, and establish yourself as the go-to expert in your field. Remember, your online presence is your digital storefront. Make it count. Chapter 6, Network or Die, the power of connections. Let's be real, business is all about relationships. You could be the most talented entrepreneur on the planet, but if you're sitting alone in your basement, nobody's going to know you exist. Get out there and network. Attend industry events, join online communities, connect with potential customers and mentors. You never know where your next big opportunity will come from, so cast a wide net and build genuine, mutually beneficial relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. Chapter 7. Never stop learning, adapt or perish. The business world is constantly evolving. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. If you're not constantly learning and adapting, you're falling behind. Stay ahead of the curve by reading industry publications, attending webinars, and investing in your personal and professional development. Embrace change, challenge your assumptions, and never be afraid to pivot your strategy when necessary. Remember, the only constant is change, and those who adapt the fastest will thrive in the long run. Outro, unlock your potential, take action today. We've covered a lot of ground today, but it all boils down to this. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Define your vision, understand your market, build a solid plan, leverage technology, establish your online presence, network like crazy, and never stop learning. Onpassive is here to provide you with the tools and support you need to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Don't wait for permission. Take action today and unlock your full potential. Remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Steve Jobs. Unlock your potential. Take action today. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Define your vision, build a plan, leverage technology, and network. Onpassive provides the tools and support you need. Take action today and unlock your full potential. For more information about Onpassive and how to find success while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you one and all, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.